তারাদের সঙ্গে মিনিট 15 আড্ডা গল্পে মন ভোলানো। মাত্র 15 মিনিটে পৌঁছে যাবেন তারাদের দেশে। নিয়ে যাব আমরা। শোনাবো বিনোদন জগতের নক্ষত্রদের রানওয়ে থেকে সাফল্যের টেক অফের যাত্রা কেমন ছিল। গল্প আড্ডায় জমে যাবে 15 মিনিটস উইথ দ্য স্টার। আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকুন, চোখ রাখুন এগিয়ে বাংলা নিউজে।
OTT platform. I'll be talking about Karma because that's in, guys. And what were you thinking? What was going on? Like while you were capturing those moments and while you were thinking or preparing your move to make, what was your behind the mind?
Karma, I'll tell you, there's a lot of behind the trivias of Karma.
Yeah, exactly.
Karma was never supposed to be a film, firstly. Yeah, it was supposed to be a web series.
Okay.
এবার লকডাউনের সময় when Rajiv met us, he said that আমার কোনো কন্টেন্ট নেই, you have to make something very small and something very quick, জলদি কর দে। এবার কোনো টেকনিশিয়ান নেই আমার, because everybody is out on pandemic. So I said, I've got a story which অনেকদিন আগে লেখা আমার একটা গল্প আছে, see if you like it. So ফোনে we narrated, he said, yeah, it works for me, man, but
there's so much trust, like you guys call.
It works for me, boss, but by artist and कैसे rehearsal होगा, कैसे होगा, technicians कैसे होंगे. I said, देख भाई, I can't hire so much of light and all that because nobody's going to work now. Exactly. Lockdown में क्या काज करबे? So I said, look, I'm going to try something new. I've got a small 6-inch camera, and मुझे 6 इंच में हो जाएगा, ऐसा ना हो जाएगा, 6 इंच में कैमरा में हो जाएगा, पूरी फिल्म हो जाएगा, वेब सीरीज, ऐसा ना हो जाएगा. Lights, as no lights. So we had no lights. We just had duto ring light chilo, TikTok kar jo ring light chilo. So we just had 2 lights and a couple of palcos because the background e lal nil rong korar moto. And we were making a thriller, a murder mystery, where the shobi ratri scene maximum. So that was very challenging, and everybody said, "Eitukuni camera is 6-inch camera te. It's smaller than this phone also. This camera is this small." This small, yeah, this small. So I said that, I said try करते हैं ना, बोले खराब ही হবে আর কি হবে।
তারপরে তো যখন হ্যাঁ ক্রিটিক্স যখন বলবে তখন নিজের কাছে তো
हो जाएगा, चल रहा, हो जाएगा, चल, सही से कर पाएगा, ऐसा ना कर देगा, चल। So we shot, and I'm telling you, I like challenges, you know. This was great fun. So we had a team of about what, very small team. We had no art directors because nobody was working then. আমরা কি করলাম? Shubho was there. Shubho is my assistant. He said, I'll look after the art. Arjun was there. Arjun said, okay, don't worry. I'll look after the camera and all that. Puro lighting guro dekhi niche.
They're up for it.
Yeah, and then Shreya was there. She said, don't worry, we'll get costumes. Je artists they got costumes. And then Bobby was there. He said, don't worry, let's do this. So we had a team of about, and Shushmita was there. He said, scripted go dekhi niche. So we had a team of 6 people. My assistants were there.
Was it tough to go for the young actors?
No, not at all. I love young actors. I think they are great actors. I mean, they are eager. They want to do their best. They are fantastic to work with. And you know, when you work with young people, you get tons of young ideas.
Yeah, that's for
And
sure.
they improve you as a director. I mean, no new. I mean, you know, experienced actors have got experienced ways of seeing a thing, which they have been successful. But new actors come with fresh ideas, man. And I love new people. I keep launching new people. I love it. So Karmate, I remember we shot it. তখন এডিটে বসেছি, so the pictures were looking good. Grading meeting এর পর nobody could believe it 6 इंची ক্যামেরা শুট হয়েছে। So they said that इसको तो film बना लेते हैं। So we made a film that was edited as a film. We had a 5.1 puro Dolby sound we did. We graded it and we shot on CinemaScope. So it's, and when Karma got released, trust me, Priya, I never expected this amount of response. So এরকম হয়েছে যে Karma ke to, you know, under publicized Karma, people have been paid, and YouTube bloggers যে খারাপ বলো এত ভালো বলো না, yeah, and it's fun, and you know, and those bloggers their friends have come and told us, do you know this man has been, been asked to write bad about things. And that's also publicity for us. I enjoyed it, man. I was superb. So Bhalo Bandhu Mile Karma was a great experience, and I'm very happy it did so well for the portal. Portal is very happy. Rajiv is ecstatic. I think his subscription has gone up huge. Karma did great for him, and he's recovered all his money. So the money that he spent, and the best part is we launched a brand new music director, Iman. His song was fantastic. Pritha got launched, and then there were some other new actors. Jashade, I didn't even know them. I got to know them, and they were brilliant.
My goodness. So, this is a director, for sure. Directors are full of challenges, no doubt. এবার জিজ্ঞেস করবো যে due to this pandemic, do you think independent directors have got that space to work?
Yes. I think more than the space, যে সাহসের দেখো সিনেমার মধ্যে খুব সাহসের প্রয়োজন হয়. You need to believe that you can do it. Because আমার মনে আছে Venkateshwar Moni taught me one thing, and that has been my greatest learning from them. They said that, Ringo, the best way to do a film is to finish a film. And that's what he taught me. He said that, he said, Ringo, देख सबको script लिखना आता है, लेकिन सबको खत्म नहीं करना आता है. You have to finish the film. So what pandemic has done, this COVID age, a lot of young filmmakers, a lot of young DOPs, a lot of young music directors, they understood that শুধু YouTube personal channel করে it's not going to work. They've got to make a film. Let's make a film.
আচ্ছা কোনো জায়গায় মনে হয়েছে যে just because you went and did your course from abroad, you were exposed to the world.
No, I don't believe that. See, I'll tell you. Right now, when two people, let's say you want to be a filmmaker, let's say. Firstly, you need to believe that you want to be a filmmaker. Man, just shokhe korle hobe na. It has to be your career. Like these beautiful guys who are doing the camera with you right now, they believe they want to be DOPs tomorrow. Seriously. And they have to pursue it. মানে হাল ছাড়লে হবে না, বিকজ তোমাকে লোকে কিন্তু বলবে হবে না, লোকে বলে ভালো হয়নি। সো ভালো হয়নি এটাকেও কিন্তু অ্যাকসেপ্টেড উইথ লট অফ গ্রেস, বিকজ আই হ্যাভ বিন অলওয়েজ ক্রিটিসাইজ দ্যাট ইউর টু ahead of your time, তোমার ছবি লোকের মাথার উপর দিয়ে চলে যায়, চলে যায়। I keep hearing these things, but I don't feel bad about it. People write so many bad things about me. I like it, man, because see, they're actually telling me that, Ringo, we expect more from you. ওরা কিন্তু আমাকে ছোট করছে না, যারা আমাকে নিয়ে খারাপ বলছেন তারা কিন্তু আমাকে ছোট করছেন না, তারা আমার থেকে অনেক বেশি এক্সপেক্ট করেন। সো আই নিড টু ইমপ্রুভ মাই সেলফ টু মেক শিওর দ্যাট আই ক্যান স্যাটিসফাই দেয়ার নিডস। অ্যান্ড ইউ ট্রাস্ট মি, দেয়ার বিন ক্রিটিক্স হু নেভার রোট গুড অ্যাবাউট মি, বাট আফটার মাই নহন্যতে গট রিলিজড, from Nohonnote onwards, when Messi got released, the same critics came and said, these are brilliant films.
My God, Messi was...
I think what really works is that when people say not happening, young filmmakers ko loke bolbe hocche na, hobe na, sujog pabe na, they've just got to take it as tar mane sujog asche. Because end of the day what happens is, I'll tell you here, and people who can practice this will always make it. See, at a chakana, it's always going round. So once you're down, the only way is up. You can't go down, so you're already here. Let's say when you're starting, you're here. So what's the way up? Is only going to go up. So just keep believing, keep doing your work, and trust me, you will make it, man.
Every director has their saturation point. Every director can be an independent director, a commercial director, everyone.
Absolutely.
So what, according to you, what was your point where you said, nahi yaar, this is breaking me down?
No, I'll tell you, amar jeta hoy, and I don't know about other directors, I'll tell you what happens to me. A lot of days I don't work at all. I don't work. I mean, just boka videos dekhi YouTube e. And ekdam rubbish videos I keep watching. But still I try and make sense out of it. Or I'll just take my car out and go for a drive, because when I'm not, see, a lot of writers have this writer's block jeta bole. So when I'm not writing, I'm not able to write a film. Because I write very fast. I made a cinema pray 6-7 dine I write a film. I'm very fast in writing. But a lot of times, I don't like to write. Amar bhal lagche na likhte. And forcefully you can't write.
Absolutely.
So I said that, see, my thing is that because when I'm not writing, then I'm editing.
Okay.
Or I'm trying to think of a content যেটা করা যেতে পারে. When I'm writing, I'm doing nothing, I'm just writing.
Okay.
And when I'm making a film, I'm only shooting that, I'm doing nothing else, I'm just focusing on the work. So because দেখো আমি ক্যামেরা করি, মিউজিক করি, আমি এডিট করি, আমি গ্রেডিং করি, I direct, I write, তো আমার যেটা সুবিধা হয়ে যায় যে I get lot of spaces. তো যখন লেখার কাজ তখন অন্যগুলো ছুটিতে আছে, যখন ডিরেকশন তখন লেখাটা ছুটিতে আছে. সো এখনো পর্যন্ত one has not মানে একসাথে সব
Entangled কিছু হয়ে যায়.
I'm still a little safe zone আছি, but I think when a person is not wanting to saturation যেটা হয় প্রত্যেকেরই হয়, I'm sure they should take a break, come to cha bar, have a cup of tea.
Yes, oh my god, he knows how to make it interesting. No doubt. আচ্ছা, এইবার যেটা গতানুগতিতে সবাই জিজ্ঞেস করে, এটা আমারও খুব প্রশ্ন আছে, বিকজ আমি রিঙ্গোদাকে এটা কখনো জিজ্ঞেস করিনি. সো দিস ইজ হোয়াট আই ওয়ান্ট টু আস্ক. লাইক a director has to be a good storyteller, obviously. And a storyteller needs to pick their protagonist. How do you pick them? Or craft them? Or make them?
I'll tell you how I plan my stories. See, it's a great question you've asked, Riya, and nobody has asked me this question before, so I must say it's a very, very well crafted question.
Thank you, sir.
So I'll tell you, the trick is very simple. See, for us, for any director, I think, they don't plan a protagonist or a story just like that. I think যে কোনো ডিরেক্টর যিনি গল্প লেখেন নিজে, like I write my stories, I write my scripts. I think you can't plan that আমি আজকে না এই একটা একে নিয়ে গল্প লিখবো. You can't do that. কিছু কিছু impetus হয় যেটা তোমার sparks ideas inside you. Like actually when I was planning, মানে Karma, how it happened, I had no clue I'm going to make a thriller. Or আমার a female protagonist যেখানে she is committing crime and murders, yet at the same time you cannot blame her for what she is doing. You will sympathize with the killer. What I did, I remember, I was watching I was watching some old movies of Hitchcock,
Okay.
and
Alfred Hitchcock.
Alfred
My
Hitchcock,
God.
পুরনো সেই রোপ টোপের সময়কার, প্লাস ওনার একটা খুব সুন্দর ইউটিউবে সিরিজ আছে, এভরিবডি মাস্ট ওয়াচ দিস, 17 মিনিট করে একটা ছবি, ইটস কল্ড Alfred Hitchcock Presents, ইউটিউবে ব্ল্যাক অ্যান্ড হোয়াইট স্টাফ, বাট ওগুলো খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর ছোটো ছোটো গল্প, শর্ট স্টোরিজ মেড ইন্টু 17-minute films. I think I was watching that and then I thought, hey, it's inspiring me.
Okay.
So I think it works with me like that. Like when I wrote Messi, I'm a true Messi, true blood
Okay.
fan.
Oh
I
my
think I'm the
God.
biggest fan of little Messi in Kolkata, I think. There's no bigger fan than me, I'm very sure. মানে
একটা মুভি করে নিল
No,
basically.
correct. No, আমার অফিসে কাজ করতে আগে ফার্স্ট আস তুমি কার ফ্যান? If you're not a Messi fan, you're not working with me.
Oh please, I'm not a Messi fan.
So then you're not
I'm not
working
a
with me.
Messi fan, I'm a CR7 fan, no doubt.
In interviews, all my যারা auditions বা যারা দিতে আসে,
You asked that?
আচ্ছা ওরা জানেন আমি কি জিজ্ঞেস করি?
There's a trivia. He's this man.
If assistants come to work, they want to work with you. I said, কথা I don't ask তুমি কি কাজ জানো টানো। আর ফুটবল দেখো? হ্যাঁ দেখি, কার ফ্যান, কাকে পছন্দ করো? ঠিক আছে, মেসি বার্সা, ইমিডিয়েটলি কাল থেকে জয়েন। রোনাল্ডো, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, get back to you. I never get back. So I'm that big a fan, So I remember, when Messi had come to play in Kolkata 8-9 years ago, the ESPN থেকে I made that promo for them, which was on street football. That 1.5-minute film, যেটা 8-9 বছর আগে বানিয়েছিলাম, 8-9 years, almost 10 years now. That went to Spain, and there Spain এর কাগজে সব জায়গায় came out that ইন্ডিয়াতে মেসি কিনে সিনেমাতে 8-9 বছর আগে, I had no clue. একদিন গুগলে দেখি আমার নামটা স্প্যানিশে একটা রিপোর্ট বেরিয়েছে যেখানে it is saying that I'm making a film. So that intrigued me. So I said, yeah, what is the way I can pay a tribute to my hero? So I said, let's make a film. And so I made a film where the spirit of Messi was there. And I chose my subject from there.
And কথা শেষ করতে কারোর ভালো লাগে না, বিশ্বাস করুন আমারও ভালো লাগে না। When I speak with anyone, তাদের সাথে মনে হয় তাদের এই যে 1 ঘন্টা যেটা আপনারা 15 মিনিটে দেখছেন, সেটা আমরা 1 ঘন্টায় করার চেষ্টা করছি, বাট দ্যাট ইজ নট ইনাফ, দ্যাট ইজ সিরিয়াসলি নট ইনাফ। বাট সময় কারোর জন্য থেমে থাকে না, অ্যান্ড আমাদেরকে শেষ করতে হবে, বাট শেষ করার আগে একটা ফান গেম যেটা আমরা প্রতিবার করে থাকি, যেটা আপনারা দেখে থাকেন, সেই ফান গেমটা আমরা করে থাকি। সেটা হলো, I'll be asking you 3 questions.
Okay.
Which is your first?
which is my first.
First, I'll be asking you this thing. You'll have to say, যে, oh, acha, this is my first, so আমি এটা করেছি.
Acha.
Am I clear?
No, I'm not clear.
For example,
For example.
which is your favorite chai you had for the very first time?
Acha.
Something like this.
Acha, okay. Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, very ready.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Which is the first film which you still remember, like stuck in your head or something?
Chariots of Fire.
Oh boy. Which is the first love you had? First love.
There was a girl in my school, she's called Jayati. Oops. And she's from Sirampur. That was my school prem chilo, and yeah, I still remember. That was a crazy time, man. That was my first love.
Oh, isn't it sweet? Yes, he is. And the last but not the least, what is the first, what I should say, first feeling or first memory you had? I mean, Krantini Katha bolchi. What is the first thing you had when you saw that movie on the theaters?
The first thing that loke koto galagali diche amake, and they were telling me I'm a cheat, I'm a fraud, আমি লোকজনের টাকা ঠকাচ্ছি, প্রোডিউসারকে টুপি মারছি, and you know that you're being nasty, bad guy. So I was just seeing those fingers aimed at me, and I remember one day there was one moment in that film when at a fight scene চলছিল, বাজারের একটা fight scene ছিল, which was but digitally ওটা shoot করা was really tough because there was too much of lighting এদিক ওদিক হচ্ছিল. When that scene was being shown on Priyate চলছিল, I turned back. আর ঠিক পেছন দিকে there were 4 of people who complete were my biggest critics. They were sitting there and they were clapping.
Oh.
So I remember that. I will not take their names. I still meet them. We
Acha.
still talk. But I know what they had said, and I'm sure they also knew that they said something wrong. So that was my first one.
Foes become family. That's the thing. I
Yeah,
don't
almost,
see
yeah.
much. এই কনভারসেশনটাতে অনেক কিছু শেখা যায়, মানে শিখেছি, মানে সব মানুষের সাথে কথা বলতে গেলে তো কোনো কিছু জিনিস শেখা যায়। তো এই কনভারসেশনটা শিখেছি যে even if you'll have thousands and thousands of critics, pros and cons থাকবে, but ওখান থেকে পিক করতে হবে which one you should use and which one you shouldn't. And I guess আপনারা এখান থেকে নতুন কিছু শিখেছেন। রিঙ্গো দা ইজ সাচ আ গ্রেট হিউম্যান বিং, কথা বলে তার সাথে হেভি লাগলো। আমার অন্তত দিব্য লেগেছে। আপনাদের কেমন লেগেছে কমেন্ট সেকশনে লিখতে একদম ভুলবেন না। And if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. আমি রিয়াশাদ চ্যাটার্জি, আর আপনারা দেখছেন 15 minutes with the star. Bye.
Namaskar.